Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to download personal information on Netflix account on an Android device. Okay, some people may want to download their personal data from Netflix to perform personal analysis or track their preferences in watching movies and series. Okay, and then to do it, here are the steps. First, go ahead and open Chrome browser on your device. Okay, and then here you must sign in to your Netflix account. Well, after that, click three line here, and then press account. After that, you can scroll down, and then please choose download your personal information. Here will be include a copy of your activity on Netflix account. Okay, and then please submit request. And then here you can open email message sent to your email address. Okay, after that, press confirm request here. And then you can input your password account. Okay, after verifying the request, and then here will be there a following attention about preparing your Netflix personal information. And here, you can wait at least 30 days. Well, that's the tutorial on how to download personal information on Netflix account on an Android device.